Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to Agriculture Hacks and Tips, your go-to spot for smart farming solutions. Today, I'll show you how to grow strawberries in hanging baskets. Yes, you heard that right. Hanging baskets aren't just for flowers anymore, they're perfect for strawberries too. First, let's talk about why hanging baskets are awesome for strawberries. These little red gems love sun, and hanging them up high ensures they get plenty of it. Plus, it keeps them safe from pests and critters. Win-win, right? Alright, here's what you'll need. A good-sized hanging basket, high-quality potting mix, a few strawberry plants, and some slow-release fertilizer. Got it? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Fill your basket with potting mix, leaving about an inch from the top. Now make a small hole for each plant. Gently place your strawberry plants in the holes, making sure the roots are covered. Don't pack the soil too tight. Strawberries like it loose and airy. Next, add a bit of slow-release fertilizer. This will keep your strawberries well fed over time. Water the basket thoroughly until you see water draining out the bottom. Now the fun part, hang your basket in a sunny spot. Strawberries need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Don't forget to water regularly, especially during hot days. The soil should be moist but not soggy. In a few weeks, you'll see your strawberry plants flourish with beautiful, juicy fruit. Just remember to pick them as soon as they're ripe. This encourages more fruit to grow. And there you have it. Growing strawberries in hanging baskets is easy and rewarding. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button like this video and share it with fellow gardeners. Let's grow smarter together. Happy gardening, everyone.